Hi, my name is Alicia Silva. I am in Biology 1050 for Cell Bio, and we're going to talk about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic interactions. In this case, I did Lactobacillus Acidophilus. So I decided to do the research on that because I like seeing how the probiotics work in the human GI tract. And when I was doing my research, I saw that this bacteria is a rod-shaped bacteria that is gram positive. So it's purple and it's about 2 to 10 micrometers long. And what we can see is, like I said, they're more rod-shaped and with the circular end. So this bacteria generally likes to be in an anaerobic environment, which we see more in the human GI tract, and its optimal pH is about 5.5 to 6. And with the research I've done is we see that it helps treat with H. pylori, IBD, IBS, diarrhea, and colorectal cancers, just to name a few that we've seen with my research. So what does it do when it is in the body? So as another picture I have here, I've drawn, here you see the bacteria, and then we have another image of the symbiotic bacteria and then it acting as like an antagonist. So what this bacteria does is that it attaches to the receptors in the body, so that the bad bacteria, which would be your antagonizes bacteria, cannot attach to those sites. And then with the good bacteria that's also there, it works together to cross-feed. So basically both of them are working together in tandem to make sure that the good bacteria are flourishing, whereas the bad bacteria does not have the opportunities to attach. And the question goes with, how does it adhere to the mucus layer that is also there? So what it actually does is it adheres to the extracellular matrix component that the body has for collagen and the fibronectin, and that we see an S layer associated protein be connected to the bacteria, and it attaches to that receptor so that it can adhere and then cause for the mucin to be able to form. So I have a picture here that shows how I have a mucus layer and how the cells are interacting, and here where my SLP or SLAPs are little receptors that the bacteria are adhering to, and that causes the induction of the mucin expression or mucus expression in the body, so that it lubricates the rest of the body, and then it helps with the inflammation that we can see from IBD or IBS. In turn, that induces the intestinal epithelial tight junctions to be more active and protect the intestinal epithelial cells, because it is causing more of the mucus to be able to adhere to the body and be more receptive to those. And since the lactobacilli produces a bacteriostatic effect, that's why it competes with the carbohydrates in that GI tract, so that other competing bacteria cannot take that over and continue to flourish. Where we also see a change is that it helps regulate the animal's immune response. It also helps reduce the serum cholesterol and cardiovascular disease, improve lactose metabolism, and helps improve infections, just because the bad bacteria that would attach to those sites are not able to, and we see that the good bacteria is able to cross-feed and work with the lactobacilli while it's in the body.